All right, now we are on. So you will see 4 type of questions. With the handout in front of you, you will see kind of a plus 7. What is a? It's a number that we don't know. Sometimes question says this is x, y, z, b, v, whatever. So I just name all of them by a. So a plus 7 is 15. A minus 7 is 10. 3a is 21. Minus 3a is 33. That's the negative version. And a divided by 4 is 5. A divided by 4 is, let's make one of them negative, minus 5. A divided by 4 is 7. So let me show you how to answer those questions. This is one step equation. So a plus 7. The only thing you need to know is the rule about equations. So we are looking at left side and right side. Equation has 2 sides, left side and a right side. So on the left side, if you have a plus sign or negative sign, it goes to the other side as negative sign and positive sign. So you're just going to change the sign if you see the positive sign, unless it's a multiplication. When it is a multiplication, it's negative or positive, doesn't matter. Do not look at the sign and send whatever number it is to the other side as division. If it's a division, send it to the other side as multiplication. Believe me, this is all you need to know to answer all of the questions, and this will be used very frequently for the next few months, all the way up to the ministry exam. So you will need this. So again, if you see addition and subtraction, send them to the other side of the equation and change the sign. But if you see any multiplication and division, do not look at the sign as it is, send it to the other side as division or multiplication. Now let me show you what I mean with this. A plus 7, I am looking at plus. This is addition. So I have blue color on. So I'm not gonna touch A. This is gonna go. I'm not gonna touch the equation sign. I am not gonna touch the 15. But the 7, I said this is gonna go. It's gonna go to the other side of the equation as negative 7. So I'm gonna make this negative 7. And now all I have left here is A equals 15 minus 7 is 8, and I am done. That's it. That's all you have to do. This will get a little bit complicated the more exercise we do, but right now let's start with the simple step. All you have to do, I am looking at addition, it's going to the other side as subtraction. And sometimes students do the negative sign over here, and no, please, let's go back. Please just take away the number, whatever number it is, take away this whole and send it to here. And do not touch the 15, do not touch the A, you'll be fine. So now let's do the same with this question. A minus 7 equals to 10. So before I use this rule, the plus went to the other side, the 7 plus 7 went to the other side as negative 7. Now it's just the other way around. This time negative 7 is going to the other side as, change the sign, positive 7. So let's do that. A will stay equation 10 will stay, and next to 10 I'm gonna have this time not negative 7. You've got to change the sign, positive 7. And now a will be equal to 17. Done. Nothing more to worry about it. Now, how about this time I'm going to show you an example that you won't see addition or subtraction. There won't be addition or subtraction. So now I am looking at 3a equals to 21. There is no 3 plus a. There is no a plus 3. This is 3a, which means I am looking at multiplication. There is a secret multiplication sign right over here. So what do you do with that? The rule says if you are multiplying and you need to send the number to the other side, make sure it's going to divide. So therefore the 3 will divide on the other side, and it will be something like this. A equals to 21 divided by what? 3. So now what I am looking at, 21 divided by 3 is 7. Done. This is also finished. Next. Now the same mentality. Absolutely the same mentality. A will stay 33 divided by not the 3. What is next to the letter A is minus 3. And when you use your calculator, 33 divided by 3, which is negative, I'm going to get minus 11. So my answer will be minus 11 here. So whatever the number it is next to the letter A, which is minus 3 in this case. Now let's do our very last example. A divided by 4 equals to minus 5. Fine. Let's look at the rules. The rules tell me that if a number is dividing, and if you need to send it to the other side of the equation, make sure it multiplies this time. That's the rule. Let's go back. So A equals to minus 5. As you can see, I am not touching the ones I am not supposed to be touching. So the only 4 I need to send it to the other side. And when I do that, 4 times, not multiplication this time, minus 5 times 4. And that is, if you use your calculator, you'll get minus 20. And same goes over here. A equals to 7 times 4. Not any negative number involved here. And A equals to 28. Done. We start simple